preparation. This module is all about preparation, both your mental and your physical, because the big day is coming up. What do you need to do? All right, first up, the night before, please make sure that you get a good night's sleep. 8 hours of sleep at least. Also, no alcohol, because you don't want to be going to the studio set kind of hungover or kind of woozy or waking up with a headache. Now, moving on to the actual day. You've had a good breakfast, but when you get to the studio, there's a couple of things that you've got to have by your side. Glass of water is one of your best friends. You need to bring your own makeup. Now, to big studios, that might be necessary, but go out and buy yourself a liquid foundation and also powder. The reason powder is important is the lights around us make our face shine. So come self-prepared. And also, studio days are normally very long, and you've got to have a way of keeping your energy up the whole day. So for me, a couple of energy bars always come in handy. And the other little trick that I have on standby is, should you turn up to the studio hungover, or as the day goes on and your eyes get a bit bloodshot, always have a little bottle of Clear Eyes or similar to get the red out of your eyes. The final condition is, to make sure you do a great job on the day, is practice. Now, the night before as you're going to sleep, don't worry about the next day, but do practice your presentation out loud. And there's a reason for this. Firstly, the written word is not the spoken word. You need to know that, because once you say your lines out loud, that'll be your opportunity to rewrite what you've written. And secondly, as I've told you before, your cheeks are muscles, your lips are a muscle, your tongue is a muscle. So if you practice your dialogue out loud, believe it or not, your muscles actually remember what they've practiced. It's the same reason why you can walk out onto a tennis court or a golf course and you don't have to tell your body, oh, how do I hit that shot again? The body kind of remembers it. So, they're the 3 simple tips for today. Don't forget to get a good night's sleep. Don't forget to keep yourself stocked with makeup, water, and Clear Eyes during the day and energy bars. And finally, practice makes perfect. The thing to remember, and the thing that I always say is, proper prior practice and preparation prevents presenters from presenting poorly.